Hello, my YouTube family. Today I'm going to make for you 3 recipes. A chicken salad. Now this chicken salad, I came up way before I started meal prepping. I was desperate and I needed something for work for the week. So I went to Save Mart and I went and got a rotisserie chicken, a Asian salad. Now this Asian salad was in a bag. It's like, it was not your typical bowl salads. It's one of those ones you grab that's in a bag that's made for bigger families. So I grabbed that, and then I grabbed pico de gallo. Now I just basically took all the meat off the bone and took out the Asian salad. I did not use the dressing, pardon me, that came with the Asian salad. I just used the mix. And then I just added the pico de gallo, and then I shook it up, and that was my chicken salad. And then I have my salmon roll-ups. Now this, y'all, anything in a tortilla, I love. My salads are amazing, and I have gotten so many rave reviews about my salads. But when you put them in a tortilla, there's nothing like it. The salmon roll-ups are just amazing. And then you've got the Starbucks Egg Bite Copycat. I tried this. It didn't exactly taste like Starbucks, but I liked them. And I will be putting my hand in it again and seeing if I can get it better the next time. But either way, all 3 were amazing. And I wanted to let you guys know that I'm giving a big shout out to Dr. Asia Smith. She's of inspiration to a lot of people, to me and so many others. She is an inspirational speaker, a motivational speaker. She's an artist. She's the drummer that you hear in the first video, the chicken salad video, is Dr. Asia Smith. She encourages others every chance she gets. She is just an amazing person. She's what we call a bubblegum singer in the industry. A bubblegum singer is, she can sing anytime, anywhere, and make anything sound good. And the reason why it says bubblegum, because she can be chewing bubblegum and still be sounding amazing. This weekend, I had an opportunity to hear her at the Fresno State Bulldogs men's basketball game, doing the national anthem.
What's so proud?
So I just wanted to make a shout out to her and let her know that she's appreciated and nothing she does goes unnoticed. Without further ado, here we go. My name is Michelle, and this is My Meaningful Life. Welcome back, y'all. Today I'm going to make a chicken salad. I created this just out of desperation because I wanted something for work for the week and I didn't have much in my kitchen at the time. So what I decided to do is decided to go to the store, grab something simple. I took an Asian salad that I got, it's like a bag. And then I took a rotisserie chicken and I bought some pico de gallo. I put it all together and that was my chicken salad. So here all I am doing is taking a bone-on, skin-on chicken thigh, taking it off the bone, and just cutting it up and shredding it up and making sure it's into little tiny pieces. Look at all this meat, y'all. That's one chicken thigh. I'm going to go ahead and cut this spring mix up into bite-sized pieces. I don't like big chunks of salad in my salad, so I just kind of chunk it up. You can also just leave it like this. You don't necessarily have to have this bite-sized pieces. So I'm just going to put this into the meal prep container. I wanted to give a big shout out to Dr. Asia Smith, who is the drummer you hear below. And next I'm going to take the pico de gallo that I made in a previous video, and I will link that video down below, and just add that to the bowl with the chicken. And normally I don't have anything else with it, but I decided to go ahead and cut up a lemon and wedge it up and put like 2 wedges in there, and there's my chicken salad. Okay, so we're ready for the next recipe. Okay, so here we are going to make salmon roll-ups. These were absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and start out with shredding about a half a carrot. I didn't actually shred the entire carrot. And then I'm going to slice up a cucumber lengthwise. Next, I'm going to take a salmon that I actually cooked in the oven previously with some lemon, and I'm just going to shred it up. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Costco salmon spread. It's a salmon tzatziki spread, and I'm going to add it to the salmon that I already shredded up. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and slice up a bell pepper. I used a yellow bell pepper, but you can use any color bell pepper you prefer. I like my food colorful. I'm just going to go ahead and assemble the second roll up, and it's going to be the salmon spread, shredded carrots, spring mix, the bell pepper, and the cucumber. And just kind of cut it up to make pinwheels. And here you go. There's the pinwheels. I'm just going to add some sourdough crackers with some guacamole. I love me some guacamole, y'all. And there you have it, our salmon roll-ups. Egg bites. I tried to copy the Starbucks egg white bites, and what I'm doing is I'm taking a whole carton of egg whites, and then this is like a generic type of cream cheese, and just adding equal parts cream cheese to egg whites, and I'm going to blend it up. From what Bobby at Flav City says, the reason why you blend it up is because it creates air in the mixture. I'm just going to cut up the bacon so that I can actually add it to the muffin tin. And I do snap on it as I go along. That's just what I do. Here I'm going to put a pan of water on the bottom shelf of the oven. This helps to make the sous vide. I added the egg mixture to the muffin tray, and then I add the bacon to the muffin tray, mix it up a little bit so the bacon's not always on top, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. Every oven is different, so you have to judge it on your end. I put it in there for about 10 minutes.